Emily's chewing her puff here.
Okay.
Yeah, you did great.
I think it's stuck in your hand. Oh, let me help you out. Let me help you out. Yeah, okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alrighty, what about this one?
What about this one, Emily? Look. Look. Here we go. Oops. I got stuck in the hand again. I got stuck in the hand. Yeah, I know, that's so frustrating. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh, you want me to do it? Oh, yeah. Almost. That was a smart choice. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yay! Yay! Success. You made it. You made it. Alright. Maybe we try one more. Last one. Oh, what about that one? Okay, this one you're on your own. It's almost there. It's almost there. Can you do it? That's still in the hand. You are kind of munching on it, so that should count. Oh, half of the puff there. I think you ate half of it.
I don't see anything left. I think that's good enough for me. I'll call it. Alright. One more puff.
Oh, still in the hand. Yeah, these things are tricky. Very tricky. I think they do it on purpose. Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, there it was. There it was. There it was. There it was. Here. Oh, it disappeared. It disappeared. Oh, I know. I know. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, I think I found it. Here we go. You know what you want. It's easy to get my hand over. Yay! Yay! Alrighty. What about some water? Alright, I'll help you out a little bit here. I know. I'll help you out. Gotta tip it over if you want some water out of there. Let's see, did you get any? I'm not even sure. Okay, let's try again. You sure are chewing on it. Alrighty, somebody seems happy with their sippy cup. I think you you got some water out of there. I see a drop on your chin. You're getting the picture. Alrighty. Say goodbye. It was fun watching you eat your puffs. No. There you go. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Oh. There we go. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. We'll see you later.